Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is just me showing you how I got this Wicked inspired look. I will be doing a tier list video, and I also will be doing a reaction video to none other than Wicked the musical. I have never seen Wicked. I've never seen the play, the Broadway musical, so this is going to be interesting. And we start off with the foundation. I go with the lighter shade. And then later on, I do apply like a little bit of the darker shade up on my cheek to try to give that contour look. But it didn't really do what I wanted it to do, so I just kind of scrapped that idea. Now for the concealer, which I did watch a makeup tutorial the other day, and I saw them apply the concealer after the foundation, which recently I was putting the concealer on before the foundation, and I actually like this process where you do the concealer after. It really like blended out perfectly in my opinion, so I will be doing that again. I'm using LA Girl Pro. This was a makeup palette that I have only used one other time. I bought it specifically for my trip in Las Vegas, but I ended up not using it because the night I was supposed to perform, some things happened and I didn't even get to apply any makeup to my face before I got on stage. So that's a whole nother story. You can check my channel for that story as well. But above the black, I decided to add the darker green, and then above the darker green, I added the light green. I always tend to do a black base first, but if you haven't been able to tell yet, black is my color. That is my favorite color of all time. Then I decided to go over the black base with some of the silver in the Gothic Clown makeup kit that I have. Shout out to my bestie. Thank you so much for buying me this palette. I love it so much. So yeah, next I'm going to add some foundation, some powder foundation over the little glitter parts. I was hoping that the brush would like brush it off and I wouldn't have to see any more glitter, but upon further inspection, there was still glitter. Next is my favorite eyeliner of all time. It is waterproof, but it doesn't stay on like permanently if you go and scrub it off. So a lot of times by the time I'm ready to take my makeup off, my eyes are bloodshot red from all the scrubbing. So I did go over the top layer of my eyelid with some more of the light green, and I blended everything in. And then the nightmare, the bane of my existence, applying the mascara. I hate doing mascara, but yeah, I did it anyways for the video. And then I got some on my cheek, which was a little frustrating. Here are the makeup wipes I used. My sister recommended them, and they are by Kiss. And so after I did that, did a little cleanup, I decided to go ahead and show off my little beauty mark because I love my beauty mark. I think it's one of my greatest features on my face. And then I applied some more foundation just to hide the parts that I had to wipe off. Using Ruby Kisses, I think I used Ruby for my blush, and I think I used Ruby for my concealer. But yeah. And now it's time to apply my lipstick. And of course, I go with, bingo, going black, baby. I do black as the base, and then I go over it with the eyeshadow. I chose the darker green eyeshadow as, you know, in addition to the base, and then I went over it again with the lighter green. And there you have it. There is my wickedly beautiful look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, I will be doing a reaction video to Wicked. It is my first time ever watching Wicked, and I don't really know what I'm getting in for, but everyone says it's great. So check out my YouTube channel to find out that video.